Yes, ma'am.
So we were doing the black aeroplane, right? From where was the pilot coming?
France.
France to England.
Going,
France.
he was going to which country?
England.
Why he was going there?
Because it's our
To
hometown.
meet her family.
To meet his, yes, to meet his family. It was his hometown. So he was going there, right? And then
Yes,
what
ma'am.
happens, beta?
The storm clouds come.
The storm
And
clouds.
all the
Okay, he faces
instruments
the storm
went down.
clouds. Okay. Did he fly over the storm clouds, or did he took the sideways, north or south, or what did he do?
He
He
flied
gone
between
straight
them.
to the
He
storm.
go inside the
Yes. He flew straight into the storm clouds. Okay. What did he see on entering?
the cloud.
Yes. What did he see on entering the storm clouds?
he
Can
see
repeat the
clouds
question.
like a black
Birds
mountain.
sitting outside.
Okay, that was fine, but was he able to see anything out of the window?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
he can't
No, he
see
was not
anything.
able to
Everything
see
look like
anything
black.
out of the window. Did he try to use his compass and other instruments?
Yes,
No,
he tried, but all the
compass were dead.
all were dead
And
and
the
not
radio
working.
was
Yes,
also
very
dead.
good. All the instruments were dead. Right, Peter. Then what did he see next to him?
He see a black
Black
aeroplane.
aeroplane.
Then another pilot.
Okay, he saw another pilot next to him who was waving him and asking him to follow him.
Follow.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
then what did the other pilot do?
The
He
other pilot
moved.
helped him and
He moved
told
his
him
he
to
moved
follow
his plane in
the
front of the
aeroplane.
narrator's pilot.
Yes, he took his plane ahead, ahead of the narrator's aeroplane. What was the name of the aeroplane that he was flying?
Dakota DS-088.
Yes, Dakota DS-088. Very good. Okay, and then he started following him like an obedient child.
Obedient child.
Should we continue now?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, paragraph, which page number and which para? Tell everybody.
Page number 38, last line.
Page number 38 and
Last line.
Last line.
Ma'am, from after half an hour.
okay. So I'll just read from the beginning only. He turned his aeroplane slowly to the north in front of my old Dakota so that it would be easier for me to follow him. I was very happy to go behind the strange aeroplane like an obedient child. Okay. अब क्या होता है कभी रास्ता भटक जाते हैं तो what happens if somebody helps us, we are very much excited ना, और हम बहुत obedient बन के उसको follow करते हैं. Similarly, the narrator started following that aeroplane that was ahead of him. After half an hour, the strange black aeroplane was still there in front of me in the clouds. See, इतना time हो गया, they were flying and he was following the black aeroplane. और कहता है half an hour के बाद भी strange black aeroplane, it was ahead of me in the clouds. Now there was only enough fuel in the old Dakota's last tank to fly for 5 or 10 minutes more. तुम्हें ध्यान है उसने लास्ट फ्यूल टैंक स्विच ऑन करा था,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
अब वो
Second.
कहता है हार्डली एनी फ्यूल वाज लेफ्ट और ओल्ड डकोटा जो था उसका प्लेन इट कुड फ्लाई ओनली फॉर 5 or 10 minutes. आई वाज स्टार्टिंग टू फील फ्राइटन अगेन. अब देखो बेटा, लैंड पर तो बचने के चांसेस होते हैं, but in air there are no chances. Okay, very less chances are there. कोई miracle हो जाए तो हो जाए, otherwise people who are up there in the air, okay, air means planes या किसी में भी होते हैं, तो क्या होता है, एरोप्लेन वगैरह क्रैश होते हैं तो what happens,
Crash.
everybody dies, isn't it? बहुत
Yes.
बहुत
Everything is
rare
destroyed.
chances होते हैं ना सेव होने के. तो similarly अब ये जो था narrator, even he began to feel frightened, he became scared, but then he started to go down and I followed through the storm. अब वो तो बहुत डर रहा था कि hardly 5 or 10 minutes are left, okay, for the fuel to be finished, and उसके बाद I don't know what would happen to him, लेकिन अचानक से क्या देखता है कि the black aeroplane, the pilot, he started going down, so even this narrator, he followed him. Suddenly I came out of the clouds and saw two long straight lines of lights in front of me. और कहता अचानक से I just came out of the clouds. Okay, dark clouds were no more, no darkness was there, and I saw two long straight lines. What were those? Runway. You know what is a runway?
Where
Yes, ma'am.
airplane is
क्या
landing.
होता है बेटा? What is a runway?
Where
Where the
airplane is landed.
It's a long
Aeroplane is
lane.
land.
Ah, where the
Airplane is land.
Airplane is
करके
landing.
it runs for a kilometer and then it halts, isn't it? एकदम से तो स्टॉप नहीं करता
Yes,
है
ma'am.
ना runway पे. क्या होता है, ठीक है, जहां से एयरप्लेन टेक ऑफ करता है या जहां पर लैंड करता है उसको रनवे कहते हैं, राइट? तो उसने क्या देखा, इट वाज अ रनवे एंड एयरपोर्ट. आई वाज सेफ, एयरपोर्ट पर आ चुका था एंड नाउ ही वाज सेफ. I turned to look for my friend in the black aeroplane, but the sky was empty. अब इसने टर्न करा कि भाई उसको देख लूं and I should thank him. लेकिन the whole sky, you know, it was empty. There was nothing there. The black aeroplane, it was gone, and I could not see it anywhere. I landed and was not sorry to walk away from the old Dakota near the control tower. अब क्या होता है, अब author कहता है he did not know where he landed, but he was not afraid of leaving his plane unattended. Okay, तो वो जाता है and control room के उधर, and he asked a woman in the control center where I was and who the other pilot was. अब उसको पता नहीं वो किस जगह का रनवे था, क्या था वो, तो वो उस वुमेन से पूछता है who was there in the control room कि भाई where I am, है ना, where he was, and जो other pilot जो था वो कहाँ है. I wanted to say thank you, और कहता है मुझे उसको thank you कहना है because he had helped me to come out of the storm clouds. She looked at me very strangely and then laughed. अब वो जो कंट्रोल रूम में वुमेन थी ना, बहुत स्ट्रेंज लुक्स दिए उसको, एंड शी लाफ्ड. और क्या कहती है, अनदर एरोप्लेन up there in this storm. क्या कह रहे हो तुम, another aeroplane was there, इस storm में another aeroplane. No other planes were flying tonight. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Yes,
कंट्रोल
ma'am.
रूम में रडार में कहीं भी नहीं दिखा था कोई दूसरा प्लेन. कहता है इस स्टॉर्म में कहाँ प्लेन्स होंगे. No other aeroplanes were flying tonight. Yours was the only one I could see on the radar. समझ में आया? रडार क्या होता है, एक ऐसा इंस्ट्रूमेंट, एक ऐसा सिस्टम जो प्रेजेंस को डिटेक्ट करता है. मीनिंग हैज बीन गिवन इन द वर्क.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You can write down, write it, a system for detecting the presence, for detecting the presence, direction, distance. That it is a long definition, okay? Direction, distance, and speed of aircraft, ships, etc. by sending out by sending out pulses of radio waves. Pulses of radio waves. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो वो
Yes, ma'am.
जो कंट्रोल रूम में लेडी थी वो कहती है देयर वाज नो अदर एरोप्लेन. ओके, और दूसरे एरोप्लेन कैसे हो सकते हैं स्टॉर्म में? एंड आई कुड see only the narrators. She says that she could see only the narrators aeroplane there on the radar. So who helped me to arrive there safely without a compass or a radio and without any more fuel in my tanks? अब नरेटर को लगा तो फिर किसने हेल्प करा कि मैं सेफली यहाँ पर पहुंचा? देयर वाज नो कंपास, देयर वाज नो कांटेक्ट ऑन रेडियो, देयर वाज नो फ्यूल आल्सो इन माय टैंक. Who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane flying in the storm without lights? समझ गए?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Any guesses? Who was he? Who was he? Yes, beta.
मैम वो बहुत ज्यादा डरा हुआ था तो उससे ना भ्रम होने लग गया.
हाँ, मे बी भ्रम होने लग गया. ओके, राइट, है ना?
God help him.
हाँ, यस चांदनी.
Ma'am, God helps him.
Maybe God, maybe some good spirit, okay, that helped him to come out of the storm. Now the questions. Read out the questions, hurry up.
Yes, ma'am. I'll take the risk. What is the risk? Why does the narrator take it?
Okay. Within the chapter,
Ma'am, this is
Or the
thinking
book
about
can I
the text.
nahi, within the chapter wale, first you read those beta.
No, ma'am.
There is no
There are no
questions within the
questions. Okay, okay.
There are only back questions.
Okay, back questions. I'll take the risk. What is the risk? Why does the narrator take it? Okay.
Ma'am, can I Jan?
Yes, Janvi.
The risk was to fly through the black storm clouds. The narrator take it because he wanted to spend his holidays with his family and wanted to take a breakfast with his family.
Very good. He was very desperate to meet his family, isn't it? And he wanted to have the English breakfast. He was dreaming all the day. So he took the risk of not going back. Right? Describe the narrator's experience as he flew the aeroplane into the storm. Who? Ankit Chaudhary. Okay. Yes, Ankit, answer it. Ankit? He was ready to answer. He disappeared. Maybe network problem. Any other student describe the narrator's experience as he flew the aeroplane into the storm? Who will answer it, beta? Megha?
Ma'am, may I, Megha?
Yes, Megha.
Yes, ma'am. The narrator found that suddenly there was a blackness around him inside the cloud. He could see nothing.
Yes.
The aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air. The instrument like the compass couldn't work. The radio also did not work. He was lost in the storm. Then he saw another aeroplane. It had no light on its wing, but it guided him ahead. Then it disappeared when the author was safe. The black clouds were behind him. As he was out of them, he was now safe.
Good. Very good. Why does the narrator say I landed and was not sorry to walk away from the old Dakota?
The narrator says so because his decision of flying through the storm and proved right. He had landed safely in spite of bad weather. Now he could get his home soon and enjoy a good big English breakfast. It was made possible by his old Dakota.
ओके बेटा, ये थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है चांदनी. Why does the narrator say I landed and was not sorry to walk away from the old Dakota? Means he was not worried to leave his plane and he just landed there. Okay. And he was not sorry means he did not care, to leave his plane unattended. He was not scared to leave the plane unattended. मतलब उसको plane छोड़ने में कोई डर नहीं लग रहा था. Why? Because he wanted to go to the control room, beta, है ना? To inquire about the mysterious plane which had helped him out of the storm. समझ गए?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? वो उसने अनअटेंडेड क्यों छोड़ दिया? उसने प्लेन वहीं छोड़ दिया. ठीक है, और बढ़ गया कंट्रोल रूम की तरफ. What made the woman in the control center look at the narrator strangely? फटाफट बता दो.
Ma'am, can I
The
cut?
narrator looked at
Ma'am,
the
was
surprised with
So many.
The narrator was saying
Ma'am, may I?
was
Okay.
there, so the woman in the control center looked at the narrator strange.
Nandini, louder.
Ma'am, there was no another aeroplane on the runway, but narrator was saying that another aeroplane helped him. This made the woman in the control center look strange at the narrator.
Good. Okay, fine. Okay. So now, what will you do, children? You are going to do these questions and some extra questions. I'm going to give it to you. Okay. So today itself, we are going to complete it. Tomorrow, I'll ask you to switch on the cameras and show me your registers. Right?
Ma'am, question answers of letter to God.
Letter to God, you might have completed enough time I had given you. And now,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, and today you will complete these 4 or 5 questions that are there.
Ma'am,
Don't do the,
मैम आपने फर्स्ट चैप्टर लेटर टू गॉड के भी एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन दिए थे क्या?
दिए थे ना? I had given.
No, ma'am, उसके तो mid
No, ma'am.
लेकिन वैसे there are many questions in the chapter.
Within the questions and
Yes,
thinking about
within the chapter and the back questions, you do them. Okay, complete them. Tomorrow I'm going to see now. Got it?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So better complete
Okay,
it
ma'am.
better, and today you must complete and tomorrow the cameras must be on. And the registers must be shown to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
bye.
ma'am.
And then afterwards we'll begin with a new chapter.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Nice
Vidya.
day.
Take care. Be safe. Take care. Do not move out of your houses. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Be
Yes,
safe
ma'am.
during
Ma'am.
this corona
Yes, ma'am.
period. Okay, bye. Take care. God bless you all.
Bye, ma'am.